Did you know there's a peptide that has been through multiple human clinical trials, shows promise for repairing damaged nerves, reducing chronic inflammation, improving metabolic health, and protecting tissues, but almost nobody is talking about it. While social media is filled with videos about GLP-1 medications, BPC 157, TB 500, and GHKCU, one peptide has quietly built an impressive scientific resume behind the scenes. It's called ARA 290, also known as cibinetide. And today we're going to explore why many scientists believe it could become one of the most important regenerative peptides ever developed. Let's dive in. To understand ARA 290, we first need to talk about erythropoietin, or EPO. Most people know EPO as the hormone that stimulates red blood cell production. Athletes have even abused it to improve endurance. But researchers discovered something fascinating. They found that one small section of the EPO molecule wasn't involved in making red blood cells at all. Instead, it activated the body's natural repair system. Scientists isolated that tiny section and created ARA 290. The result, a peptide that appears to trigger tissue repair without increasing red blood cells or hematocrit. Imagine your body has two emergency crews. The first crew puts out the fire, that's inflammation. The second crew rebuilds the damaged building, that's tissue repair. Sometimes the first crew never leaves. Chronic inflammation continues long after the original injury is gone. ARA 290 appears to activate what's known as the innate repair receptor, encouraging the body to transition from inflammation into healing. Instead of simply blocking inflammation, it may help your body resolve it naturally. When ARA 290 activates this receptor, researchers have observed several important biological effects. It may reduce excessive inflammation. It helps decrease oxidative stress. It protects cells from programmed death. It supports healthier mitochondria. It reduces fibrosis or scar tissue formation. Perhaps most exciting of all, it appears to support nerve regeneration. This is where ARA 290 becomes especially interesting. Unlike many peptides that rely mostly on animal studies, ARA 290 has been evaluated in human clinical trials. Patients with small fiber neuropathy experienced improvements in burning pain, tingling, numbness, and quality of life. Some studies even suggested improvements in nerve fiber density. That raises the possibility that this peptide isn't simply masking pain. It may actually help damaged nerves recover. The research doesn't stop there. Clinical studies have also reported improvements in blood sugar control and metabolic health in people with type 2 diabetes. Animal studies suggest potential benefits for the heart by reducing inflammation and fibrosis. Researchers are also investigating kidney protection, immune regulation, and healthy aging. One reason ARA 290 has caught the attention of longevity researchers is that it appears to influence several hallmarks of aging. These include chronic inflammation, mitochondrial dysfunction, fibrosis, and impaired tissue repair. Instead of forcing the body into growth mode, it encourages damaged tissues to heal more efficiently. That's a very different philosophy from many regenerative therapies. People often ask whether ARA 290 is better than BPC 157 or TB 500. That's really the wrong question. Each peptide appears to target different biological pathways. BPC 157 is primarily associated with tendon, ligament, and gastrointestinal repair. TB 500 is known for supporting cellular migration during healing. GHKQ focuses on collagen production and tissue remodeling. Tesamorelin stimulates growth hormone release and reduces visceral fat. ARA 290 seems to specialize in nerve repair and inflammation resolution. Rather than replacing these peptides, it may eventually prove complementary. Unlike erythropoietin, it does not appear to stimulate red blood cell production. Researchers have generally found it to be well tolerated, with mostly mild side effects, such as injection site reactions. That said, larger and longer studies are still needed to better understand its long-term safety. This is where things become especially exciting. As many of you know, I work extensively with DNA-based health coaching. In the future, we may be able to match regenerative therapies like ARA 290 with an individual's genetic profile. People with inherited tendencies toward chronic inflammation, oxidative stress, or slower tissue repair could potentially benefit the most. We're not there yet scientifically, but precision medicine is moving rapidly in that direction. So, is ARA 290 a miracle peptide? No. Science doesn't work that way, but it may be one of the most scientifically promising regenerative peptides currently under investigation. I'll be watching the research very closely over the next several years because I believe this could become an important tool in regenerative medicine and healthy aging. If you enjoyed this deep dive into emerging longevity science, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments. Which peptide would you like me to cover next? As always, stay curious, keep learning. Until next time, Peter Marino signing out.